Hello everyone, welcome to the BTS Update channel. Jungkook from BTS rocked the iHeartRadio stage with a live performance of the song Standing Next to You just one day after the release of his album Golden. His vocals immediately stole the spotlight. As a guest on the iHeartRadio album release party, Jungkook delivered an incredible live rendition of Standing Next to You. However, it wasn't just his singing ability that impressed, he also engaged in an interview that unveiled the stories behind his solo album, Golden. Jungkook also treated the audience to live performances of other songs like 7 and 3D, but the focus remained on his amazing vocals. Knets couldn't stop talking about Jungkook's vocal prowess, especially because this was the first time he performed Standing Next to You live. Prior to this performance, Jungkook revealed that Standing Next to You was one of the most challenging songs on the Golden album, and this was truly evident in his live performance. The Ku forum became a hot spot for discussions about Jungkook's live performance. Jungkook's vocals in the live version of Standing Next to You at iHeartRadio never disappointed, even leaving the audience in awe. Knets praised Jungkook's exceptional singing ability, and everyone was eagerly anticipating his stage performances of songs from the Golden album. There's no doubt that Jungkook consistently delivers awe-inspiring live performances, and the audience always enjoys every moment he brings to the stage.